Alright guys, so check this out. I went further than usual because it was packed. There's more than 10 fishermen out there. Water looks clear. Hopefully we could get some bat ray or some shovel nose. See what we can get though, guys. We are on. Maybe a small shovel nose. Yep. Pretty good. Let's go see how big it is, guys. All right, just got this in the new spot that I was forced to find. There's a lot of fishermen where I usually fishing, but it got us luck and brought us this new guy. Okay guys, so sorry, forgot my tape measure, but I got this little guy. Still works. So there it is, to the nose. 34 inches. Okay, 34 inches, almost a 3-foot. Heavy he turns out to be. 2 pound, 0.34 ounces. All right guys, so we're gonna keep this guy for today's ceviche for 4th of July. All right guys, let's keep fishing. I think this time we're set. Yep, got another one, guys. Ugh. I think it's another shovel nose. Nice. Oh, we got another one. All right, let's bring it in. Bring it in. All right. Maybe 2-footer. This one's feisty. Nice, male too. All right, let's get up there and check how big he is and how he weighs. We got here 31 inches. Good guy. The second one. Okay, second one weighs 1.79 ounces. All right, let's get a third one, same spot. 5th cast of the day. We're on. on, guys. Oh no. Yes, we are on. We are on again. Hopefully this is a shovel nose. Yep, it's another one. Come on, baby. Watch out, guys. This is my third one. All right.
What kind of fish?
There's three types of names for it. It's a guitar shark, angel shark, or shovel nose.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
Who called it?
Yeah. Good for ceviche.
Oh.
Yeah. Third one, guys. And another male. Man, I found the jackpot. Okay. 29 inches. 29 inches. Third one. Gotta reset it. Reset this, guy. Reset this. Sorry. Okay. Stop moving. 1.44 ounces. All right. Got another one, guys. Whew. Seems to be another one. Woo!
It's a shark, huh?
Yeah. Nice, another male. Fourth one. Another male, guys. My fourth one. Oh my God. On fire. All right, guys. Fourth one of the day. We got 34-incher. See how much he weighs. 2.30 ounces. But thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And remember, fish on. Happy 4th of July, guys. The east side right here, baby. Fuck yeah. All the homies were here throwing this shit.
Landing.